at Browning Road Elementary School, and today we're here to... All right, today we're at Browning Road Elementary School, and I've got Annia with us. How are you?
Good.
You ready? Mm-hmm. All right, turn around. What have we got here?
Fractions.
We've got some fractions, right? What's the first one?
8/9.
8/9. And the second one is?
15/28.
15/28. And what do we need to do with these?
Multiply.
Multiply them, right? So that's a multiplication symbol, all right? Sometimes you'll see it like that also, all right? So how do you think we're going to multiply these? What should we do first?
Multiply the small numbers first.
Multiply the small numbers first? Okay. Here's one way to look at it. We can do 2 over 3 times 4 over 6. So what we can do is we can multiply straight across the top. Okay, so what's 2 times 4?
8.
8. And what's 3 times 6?
18.
18. Okay, and then we can simplify that, but we can deal with that later on. All right, that's basically how we'll do it. We'll just multiply straight across. There's also another way to do it. Okay, if we take the same problem, 2/3 times 4/6, we can see if we can simplify anything first. Okay, so we look at the 3 and the 4. Is there any number that will go into 3 and 4 other than 1? No, right? What about 2 and 6? Can anything go into 2 and 6?
2 times 3.
2 times 3, right? So 2 can go into each of these, right? So 2 goes into 2 how many times?
3.
One time, right? And 2 goes into 6 how many times?
3.
3 times. So now we multiply straight across. 1 times 4 is?
4.
And 3 times 3 is?
3 times 3 is 9.
9. Okay, so that came out to be 4/9. Now look, if we simplify this, what goes into 8 and 18? Can 2 go into both of them?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll divide each of these by 2. What's 8 divided by 2?
4.
4. And what's 18 divided by 2?
9.
9. Isn't that the same thing as that? See? So we can make it a little bit easier when we have large numbers, which is what we have here, right? Okay, so let's take a look at this problem again. We have 8/9 and 15/28. Would you like to multiply straight across, or would you like to make things a little simpler first?
Simple first.
You want to make them simpler first? All right. So let's take a look at this. Is there any number that will go into 8 and 28?
3.
3, but not evenly. They're both even numbers, right? What goes into 8?
4.
4. Do you think 4 will go into 28? It will. So how many times will 4 go in there?
4 times. 1. No. 2 times.
2 times, right? So cross out the 8 and put a 2 on there. Because 4 goes in there 2 times, right? And how many times will 4 go into 28? So it's like 28 divided by 4. Or 4 times what is 28?
8.
Almost. 4 times 8 is 32. 1 less.
7.
7. All right, so cross that out, make it a 7.
All of it?
All the way. So now think about 9 and 15. Is there anything that can go into 9 and 15? Think about 9 first, the smaller number. What goes into 9?
1.
1, and what else? What times what is 9? It's the same number.
1 times 9.
Think about, can you go by 2s? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10? That doesn't get us 9, does it, right? 3, 6, 9, 12? We got a 3, don't we? So 3 goes in there how many times?
3.
3 times. So what do we need to do there?
Cross it out and do it.
Cross it out and
into a
turn it
3.
into a 3. Perfect. So now if 3 went into 9, we have to see, will 3 go into 15? So count by 3s.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15,
So how many times does it go in there?
5.
There you go. So what do we need to do there?
Turn it into a 5.
Perfect. All right, so now what we'll do is we'll say that 8/9 times 15/28 has been simplified to 2/3 times 5/7. Now, can you multiply straight across with these smaller numbers? All right, what do you get?
2 times 5 is 10.
Okay, so go ahead and put your 10.
And 3 times 7 is 21.
Okay, where does that go? Anya, perfectly done.